YouTube? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a college reset. Honestly, this can kind of be like a monthly reset too, just because it's February 7th, so we're a week in the month, but it can kind of be like a monthly reset. We'll see what we call it, but overall it's going to be a reset video and college edition. So I do go to UNLV. If you guys are new here, if you're not, then you already know. Don't even mind the back. Like, as you can see, I have a lot of clothes there. I really need to do laundry. Like, that's the #1 thing I need to do is laundry. But right now I'm gonna be going to the gym. So as you've seen, I already got my gym fit on and I prepped my skin. I didn't do any makeup. I need to let my skin breathe. But then honestly, I don't know in order of how everything's gonna go, what I need to get done, but probably after the gym I'm gonna come back and do probably 3 loads of laundry, lights, darks, and then my towels. And I need to unpack because I actually just got back yesterday from visiting home for a weekend, so I need to unpack some of my stuff as well and do that laundry. And then probably like wipe down my counters. I definitely need to sweep. I already did my trashes, as you've seen, so when I go to the gym I'm gonna go take those. And I'm gonna do a face mask later because I need to get my skin back right. And yeah, probably some other stuff, but just cleaning and resetting because it's much needed. But we're gonna get that all together. I'm gonna head out to the gym right now. Stay tuned for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get to the gym. I don't know if I'm gonna record, but if I do, I'll see you there. If I don't, I will see you after. So guys, I am back from the gym and I changed into a hoodie because I want to go to Jamba Juice and get an acai bowl. So they close at 3 and it's 2:35 and it's gonna be like a 7 to 10 minute walk. So I'm gonna head there right now. So we're gonna go to Jamba Juice, get this, eat, and then I need to come back and start these loads of laundry. So let's go. I am back finally. I feel like going to go get food and stuff in college and walking back, it just takes such a long process, but I'm finally back and I ate my acai bowl in there. And then I got Subway and this was supposed to be for dinner and I already ate the other half. So I'm gonna just wrap this up so I don't end up eating it because I'm gonna save it for dinner. If you guys want like a little healthy order, I guess this could be healthy, but she put a lot of mayonnaise on there. So, but I get a footlong with multigrain bread, rotisserie chicken, American cheese, spinach, tomatoes, avocado, cucumber, a little bit of mayonnaise, mustard, salt, pepper, and oregano. But that's my order. It's really good. And yeah, but let's just get to cleaning, or let's get to putting this laundry in so we can speed up this process because I'm tired.
Even though I don't wanna show emotions.
So I got this load in my small ass laundry basket, but I still have 2 more loads right here. So I actually have to take this down there, put that in there, come back, and then get these 2 loads and try to fit it in my hamper and go back down there and put those in. So I'm gonna just see you guys when they're all in the washer because I'm already tired and I haven't even started going down there.
I'm hoping that the time to try and travel back twice, but you have me running right back.
So I just wait here for 30 minutes and then I'm going to switch over my laundry and then go get my package that I have and go upstairs back to my dorm and just wipe down my counters and sweep, and then wait for my laundry to be done, come get it, and then fold it.
Play it by your neck, yeah. Tell you arch your back, yeah. Tell you to shut your ass up. Rushing here real fast just to take it slow.
Now it's time to get my package. Okay guys, so I got my package and this is the Fashion Nova package, another one. So I had did a Valentine's Day campaign for them on my channel already, so make sure you guys go watch that. But this is gonna be like a part 2 because I got more clothes. Okay guys, so I decided I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of the stuff that I got. Let's open this. My last haul was like more so lingerie and like 2 pajamas, but this is kind of more like pajamas, and then I got 2 lingeries. So I wanted like some sleeping clothes that were still cute. So first we got this little gown, real cute, it's pink, and then got a little satin robe. I got another robe that's red, and then I got this little corset black lingerie top, and then I got this little cute purpley blue one that's real cute, and that's a lingerie set. So yeah, there's my little haul for you guys. But if you guys want to see some of them on, then make sure you guys are subscribed and stay tuned for that video. I'll probably be posting that video sometime next week, but right now we're gonna get this cleaning done. I'm really like so close to just laying down and eating and going on my phone, but we're gonna be productive. Well, first I think I'll probably wipe down my counters first and then sweep. I finished wiping down my counters and my mirrors and stuff, and I put away like some of the clothes that were on my bed. I didn't really show you guys that because I had taken out my suitcase because like I said, I had just got in yesterday, so I put that away. But I'm about to go get my clothes, bring them up here, and then put them all away, and then I'll sweep because I have clothes on the ground that need to go in my laundry basket for Friday's load that I need to do. So I'll just sweep when I get done putting all that away. And yeah, so I will be right back, and I'll see you guys when I come back and put this laundry away. So I'm back, and it's time to fold this laundry, y'all. I'm so tired. I literally had to go down, up 4 times. 4 times.
We're gone for a year, only know like once. Where have you been? Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want.
Hey guys, so it's been a little bit later. I showered and I put on this face mask as you've seen, and as I wait for this, matter of fact, I need to set a timer for like 20 minutes. We'll do like 23 minutes because I want to do 30 in total. I feel like it's been, I don't even think it's been 7 yet, but it's okay. Anyways, we're gonna keep this face mask on, and right now I'm actually going to be unboxing this air purifier. This is what it looks like. So that's what the air humidifier looks like. So this part of the video is actually sponsored by YOGIN, but this is a sponsorship that I actually have used before. That's why I partnered with them. So I'm gonna be unboxing it for you guys and showing you guys like how to work it, because I honestly don't know how to work this one. So we're just gonna get into it because I think this one's gonna be, I think this one has like some different features, I want to say, but we're just gonna open this. So shout out YOGIN. Make sure you guys go get an air humidifier if you guys are interested. All of their information will be linked in the description box below, so make sure you guys go shop. But let's just get straight into this humidifier. So we're just gonna open it like this. Here's how it looks. I'm gonna plug this in and see how to work this. It comes with these little directions right here, so I'll probably read a little bit of how I do this. We're actually gonna plug this in over here, this little corner. So inside of here, it comes with a little thing of notes of what to do and what not to do with this. So let's go. I don't think I'll do it to the max, but we'll do it like right there. That's good. This little button right here is how much you want the mist. You can do light, medium, or high. And then right here is the humidity level. I'm still kind of figuring that one out, but it says something about how it detects the humidity, air levels in the room. But it's pretty cool, and it's just good to have in your room, in your house, in your apartment, whatever. Like, it's just good to have. So make sure you guys go check out the link in my description box below, and I will have the exact link to the one I bought on there because they have a few other ones. So I'll link my exact one that I have. Now it is time to wash this off my face so we can do some skincare after, because your girl has been breaking out bad and I'm getting irritated. Hey guys, so a little change in scenery, but my camera had ran out of storage and then I was trying to fix it and everything, so it didn't work. But I'm back, and I had moisturized my face after I washed my mask off and stuff, so I'm all moisturized in the face. And I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but I swept my floors. I just didn't record that part because I just wanted to hurry up and get it done. But I am all resetted for the month or for the week, whatever, until next time. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it kind of motivated you guys to get, you know, rejuvenated and want to reset too. So if you're seeing this video, this is a sign to reset and do what you need to do. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.